In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet. We'll walk through the main views and menus inside a typical project sheet, so by the end you'll know how to move around confidently and choose the right view for whatever you're working on. Start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. Once it loads, you'll usually land on a grid-style layout. At the top of the sheet, look for the view options. Begin by selecting the Table or Grid view. This is the classic spreadsheet-style view where you can see your rows, columns, and details all in one place. It's great for entering and editing data, updating statuses, and working through lists of tasks. Next, switch over to the Board view. You may see Board as one of the view buttons near the top of the sheet. Click it, and Smartsheet will transform your tasks into cards organized in columns, often grouped by status like To Do, In Progress, and Done. If you're managing workflows or using a Kanban-style process, this view makes it really easy to drag tasks from one stage to another. From here, look for any highlighted areas or controls in the Board view that help you filter or group your cards. These can be used to focus on specific teams, priorities, or deadlines, making large projects easier to manage visually. Now, switch to the Timeline view. Click on the Timeline option at the top. This view lays out your work along a horizontal timeline, so you can see when tasks start and finish and how they overlap. If you have the option to adjust grouping or zoom levels, use those controls to see either a high-level roadmap or a detailed schedule. When you're ready, click back to the grid view. With the grid displayed, look toward the top left of the sheet for the main menus. Open the File menu to access options related to the sheet itself, such as saving, exporting, or other file-level settings. You may see File in more than one place. Choose the one aligned with your sheet's main toolbar. Next, open the Automation menu. This is where you can create rules that send alerts, request approvals, or update fields automatically based on changes in your sheet. Then, click on Forms. Here you can create or manage forms that feed data directly into your grid, which is perfect for collecting information from other people without giving them full access to the sheet. Select Connections to explore integrations with other tools your organization might use. Finally, return to the Grid view and try the Gantt view to see tasks along a Gantt chart, and the Calendar view to see them laid out by day, week, or month. Switching between these views is the key to getting the most out of Smartsheet.